In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone in Microsoft Teams. If you've previously blocked a contact and you're ready to reconnect, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to restore communication step by step in a clear and simple way. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. You can use the desktop app or go to the Teams website in your browser. Once Teams is open, look to the top of the window for the three dots, often called the More Options menu. This menu is where you'll find the app-wide controls you don't use every day. Click those three dots to open the menu and then choose Settings. If you're on a smaller screen or a different layout, you might also see Settings by clicking your profile icon, but the three dots menu is the most direct way. Inside Settings, find the section labeled People. This area manages your contacts and privacy controls related to people in Teams. Click People to open it. You should now see options related to your contact lists and blocking preferences. Next, select Manage Blocked Users. This brings up a dedicated list of everyone you've blocked in Teams. It's essentially a safety list that stops those people from messaging, calling, or tagging you. If you have a long list, take a moment to scan through it or use any available search to quickly locate the person you want to unblock. When you see the contact you want to restore, click their name. This opens their details so you can make the change. From here, click Unblock. If Teams asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm. That's it. Once unblocked, the person can message you, call you, and see your status again, depending on your organization's policies. Your previous chat history won't disappear. It simply becomes active again, so you can pick up the conversation where you left off. If you don't see changes immediately, give Teams a moment to sync. On the desktop app, closing and reopening the app can help. In a browser, a quick refresh usually does the trick. And remember, if you ever need to stop communications again, you can return to the same place and block them once more. Alternatively, if it's just about reducing interruptions, consider muting a chat or adjusting your notifications instead of blocking. That's the full process to unblock someone in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you want to follow along in real time.